Kortali BJP MLA Alina Saldana alleges illegalities in Keloche Mini India project. Says she will ask authorities why no action taken on own report. Total figure of coronavirus cases in the country touches 1,25,149. 3,728 patients dead, 51,824 cured. Maharashtra has highest figure of 44,582. The clash between arch rivals Sudhin Daulikar and Govind Gaude heats up. After Gaude slammed Sudhin a couple of days back, the Madkai MLA targets his junior rival on the construction of road at PES College. Goa Forward Party asks government not to conduct any elections till Goa is safe. Says it will call for a boycott of ZP elections if Goenkas stranded abroad are not brought home. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. The COVID-19 cases in India have crossed the 1.25 lakh mark. Maharashtra is worst hit with more than 44,000 cases. Mumbai itself has 27,000 cases.
1,25,149 COVID-19 cases were reported in India till date. 3,728 deaths were reported while 51,824 patients have recovered. Maharashtra is leading with 44,582 cases, followed by Gujarat 13,268, Tamil Nadu 14,753 and Delhi 12,319 cases. More than 53 lakh cases were reported worldwide. 3.40 lakh deaths were reported while more than 21.60 lakhs were recovered. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
At least 19,000 students answered their English SSC paper from 29 centers in and around the state. The exam started from Wednesday onwards. Government has also taken measures in terms of students' mental and physical health of those answering their paper during COVID-19 outbreak.
Various government machinery is in place to guide students answering their paper. Along the government machinery, volunteers are also active, screening students with thermal guns, maintaining social distancing and wearing of masks were observed. Even water bottles were provided to students.
पेपर बरो जालो.
तुमचो पेपर आसला
इंग्लिश
पेपर आनी अरेंजमेंट कशी आसली भितर तुमकां प्रॉब्लम कितें
नो प्रॉब्लम ओनली 12 स्टुडंट्स
12 स्टुडंट्स वन क्लास
and there was social distancing.
This is scene of exam center from Damodar Vidyalaya at Kunkolim. There is staggered entry of students and they are allowed to enter after checking the temperature. Students from Mahila Nutan Vidyalaya Margaon also spoke about the experience.
For past 3 days we are sanitizing the school, and yesterday we sanitized. We came at 6:30 and sanitized the school again, and we were being supplied all the material by the government. Then we have done this arrangement. We have kept 2 gates so that there's proper social distancing. So second floor will come from gate 2. Ground floor and first floor, since it's big, they come from gate 1. This is all the arrangement. We have kept proper social distancing. You can have a look in every classroom, and we have seen that there is a lot of space and airy classrooms we have taken, especially because it's summer season.
दिसले बरें पूण जायना जालें.
मास्क घालून त्रास
हांवें तर कंटिन्युअसली मास्क काडूनच एग्जाम बरयलें आनी मास्क घालून आतां वकलीस मनशाक मास्क घालून दोळ्याचेर 110% वाफ येवपाकूच जाय. एसी जाल्यार कांय प्रॉब्लम ना, पूण एसीन कांय एग्जाम कांय जावची ना. गरमेन कितें जाता, गरमेन ते 110% दोळ्याचेर वाफ येवपाकूच जाय.
पेपर कसो आशिल्लो?
पेपर आशिल्लो बरो,
लेंथी आशिल्लो
लेंथी आशिल्लो, फक्त टायम पावलो. फक्त आतां एग्जामी जाल्यार मातशें बऱ्या भशेन थंड तकलेन मातशें करेक्ट करपा जाय.
There are various centers in AJ Almeida High School in Ponda. Students were scanned with thermal scanners. They were given water bottles plus masks. Dilip Mehtar gave details of arrangements made in Bhagwati High School in Paranam.
आसा तशें आज आमकां हांगा पेडण्यान आमची सेंटरां म्हटल्यार पयलें मेन सेंटर आसा सेंट जोझफ हायस्कूल, मागीर सब सेंटर भगवती हायस्कूल, विस्कॉन आसा, डॉन बस्को तुवें, कमळेश्वर हायस्कूल आनी हायर सेकंडरी आसा, मागीर दाडाच्या वाडी धारगळ गव्हर्मेंट हायस्कूल आसा, मागीर इब्रामपूर सातेरी हायस्कूल आसा. ही सगळीं स्कुलां केल्ली आसा. तशेंच हांगा एक उद्योजक आसा जी सांगपाची खोशी भोगता की सचिन शेट्टी हेणी आयज प्रत्येक भुरग्याक एक सॅनिटायझर बॉटल तशेंच तेणी थोडी मास्क दिल्ली आसा. तशेंच प्रत्येक स्कुलान एका स्टाफा खातीर व्हडली सॅनिटायझर बॉटल दिल्ली आसा. म्हणजे खरोखरच अभिनंदन ताचें करपाचें दिसता की अशें दिवप म्हणजे प्रत्येक भुरग्याक सॅनिटायझर बॉटल त्यांनी हाडपाची परत घेवन वचपाचीच आतां हाताक लावपाचें. तशेंच आमी एंट्रन्साक आसात आमच्या कडेन बोर्डान दिल्ल्या प्रमाणे, पण तरी आसतना हेणी दिवप म्हणजे खरेंच ताचे आभार मानपाक पळय म्हणटा. अशें जर उद्योजक जावं बाकीचे सोशल संस्था फुडें आयले आनी अशें जर हेल्प केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कोविडा पासून पयस रावपाक हेतूर कसलोच दुबाव जावचो ना.
श्यामचारी, रमेश नायकराव, संदीप तुयेकर, संदीप कांबुलकर, कृष्णा नायक for Goa 365 from Panaji, Kunkoli, Marga, Pernem and Ponda.
Lot of noise about home quarantine is happening, but many still don't know exactly what it means. Here are the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines for home quarantine, where the detection of a travel-related or unrelated suspect cases of novel coronavirus is to be followed by rapid isolation in designated health facilities and checking of all those who have come in contact with. Here are the details.
According to the guidelines, home quarantine is applicable to all such contacts of a subject or confirmed case of COVID-19. This intervention will be limited to the initial phase of reporting only. Intervention only in travel related cases. Focal clusters mean from travel related or unrelated cases, persons coming from COVID-19 affected areas where the local and community transmission is evident. A contact means living in the suspect household, has had direct physical contact, possible breach of PPE, has had face-to-face contact in closed environment. Disposable masks are never reused. Masks used by patients, caregivers, close contacts during home care should be disinfected using ordinary bleach solution 5% or sodium hypochlorite solution 1% and then disposed of either by burning or deep burial. A home quarantined person should stay in a well-ventilated single room with attached bathroom. Should stay away from elderly people, pregnant women, children, and persons with comorbidities. These people should not attend any social or religious gathering. Should also wash hands as often and very thoroughly. Should avoid sharing household items. If symptoms like cough, fever, difficulty in breathing appear, one should immediately inform the nearest health center or call 011 2397 8046, that is 011 2397 8046. Rosario Soares for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. There are many illegalities at the proposed Mini India Park project at Kelosi, local MLA Alina Saldana hinted at. She said that she would ask the concerned authorities why the reports that highlighted these illegalities were not acted on. Here are the details.
A joint inspection was carried out at the site for the proposed Mini India Park project at Kelosim on Friday. The inspection was called by the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority and was attended by Kotalim MLA Alina Saldana, Kelosim Panchayat members, officials of the Directorate of Survey and Land Records and a representative of the project proponent.
Inspection was called at the request of Movaj Enterprises, who placed their need to repair the bunds. Okay, so we have all come, but it's ironical that the representative of Movaj Enterprises has no clue which bunds are to be repaired and what exactly is the work to be done and where in this specific site. Okay. Now, therefore, this goal has not been fulfilled in any way at all today. The authorities were shocked to see the illegalities throughout the area. Sluice gates have been closed, preventing the flow of water from one side to the other. If you go there, you can see the difference in the levels of water because the sluice gates are closed. You can also see partly the putrefaction process because of the lack of flow of water. Now, it is ironical that Movage Enterprises claims that they want to repair the bunds, but the fact is that Movage Enterprises has converted the bunds into roads and created new bunds where no bunds existed at all. Now these are total violations because nobody can dispute the fact that these areas are low-lying areas, they are Kazan lands, and they are therefore no development zone. This is the question I have also, I'm going to write and ask the concerned authority. When a report of GCZMA itself speaks of all the illegalities that have taken place in this area, why is it that the authority has not taken any action till date? This is a question that needs to be answered.
Hirumale for Goa 365 from Kotale.
The clash between arch rivals Sudin Daulikar and Govind Gaude has heated up. After Gaude slammed Sudin a couple of days back after the MGP leader's initial jab, Sudin is at it again. He has now targeted Gaude on the construction of a road at PES College.
Initially, Sudin had said that no hot mixing works can be taken up after 15th May due to close proximity of monsoon. Targeting Gaude was kicking off hot mixing works in his constituency. Gaude had replied to this, accusing Sudin of undertaking hot mixing earlier only during the rains. Now, Sudin has brought up another point, the road construction work at PES College undertaken by Gaude. Watch.
हे सर्क्युलर हांवें काडूना हे सर्क्युलर जे आतां आसा हे सर्क्युलर तारीख 30/8/2019 हांव नाशिल्लो हे मंत्री आसा आनी ह्याणी ही सर्क्युलर काडल्या आतां मुख्यमंत्रीच्या मार्फत हे सर्क्युलर गेला आनी मुख्यमंत्री तांचें आयकना अशें जाता 15 नोव्हेंबरा पयलीं आनी 15 मे नंतर खंयच्याच परिस्थितीत गोंयांत हॉटमिक्सचं काम करचें न्हय हें आमीच डिसिजन घेवना जाल्यार कलेक्टरान सुद्दां जी कामां मागीर ती केबल आसूं किंवा इतर गटर आसूं किंवा बाकीच्यो आमच्यो ह्याच्यो केबल आसूं टीव्हीच्यो किंवा आमच्यो स्पॅक्ट्रम केबल आसूं ह्यो सगळ्योय कामां 15 मे नंतर बंद करचें म्हणून जालां. ताजें कारण कितें? कारण गोंयांत सादारण पावस असो प्री मन्सून शॉवर्स म्हणटा ते 20 मे सुमार चालू जाता. ही गव्हर्मेंटान काडली. आतां हे दुसरें जें सर्क्युलर आसा हे ज्यो प्रायवेट जमनी आसा म्हणजे जे PES सारकें कॉलेज आसा PES सारकें कॉलेजी अर्दी भाग हो गव्हर्मेंटाचोच भाग ट्युरिजमान ताका ते लिजार दिल्ले मागीर कितें भानगडी केली ते हांव नको पूण त्या नंतर दुसरो जो भाग आसा तो आजून ताजो प्रायवेट आसा आनी त्या प्रायवेट हातून हे सगळें आस्थापन आसा. हाचे पयलीं हे सर्क्युलर नाशिल्लें. हांवें कामां अशीं भरपूर केल्या. हे सर्क्युलर ताणें विड्रॉ करून घेवपाक जाय अशीं कामां करता आसतना इतलें सुद्दां त्या मंत्र्याक कळना हें म्हाका वायट दिसता. आमचे आमदार मंत्री ही सर्क्युलरां वाचनासतना काम करता आनी ही सर्क्युलर मुख्यमंत्र्यान काडल्या कोणी सादे मनशान काडूना. आतां तो मुख्यमंत्र्याचें आयकुचो ना किंवा त्या सर्क्युलराचेर तो जर मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या सर्क्युलराचेर पांय दिवन काम करतलो.
तो सध्या काल एक मंत्री हेजेर कितें तरी भाश्य गेले हे ते अशें उलोवन पूण आमी आयज पर्यंत जे PES कॉलेजाचे चेअरमॅन रवी नायक आसा जी गोष्टी आसा त्यो आमकां तेणी म्हणजे जे NOC जाय कितें जाय ते आमचे सविस्तर तेणी घेतलेले आसा आनी आमच्या आमदाराची सदांच आमकां एकच म्हणणें सांगणें आसा की जे भुरग्यांक लागून जी आस्थापनां जी आसात जे शिक्षणाचे हितून कसलीच NOC तुमी हाडूं नाका की आमचे भितर मतभेद आसतले पूण हे मतभेद तुमचे हितून हाडूं नाका म्हणून कारण हे शिक्षणाच्या दृश्टीन भुरग्यांक हेजो खूब हेजो फायदो जावपाक जाय.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
Mandra MLA Dayanand Sopte has reacted sharply to the allegations levelled by his rival Jeet Arolkar of undertaking Nala construction work before opening the tender. Sopte did not deny that he had started the work, but said that he had taken special permission of the Chief Minister to undertake this work before the opening of the tender to avoid flooding during monsoon. Sopte then took this one step further. He has now challenged Jeet to get elected from Panchayat.
Politician and activist Jeet Arolkar had alleged that WRD had floated a tender worth 31 lakh on 8th May for construction of Nalla in Parse. But even though the last date for submission of the bid is 1st June, the work is already half complete. Sopte said that farmers used to face lot of problems due to flooding and the Nalla was necessary. As the monsoon is coming closer, Sopte says he took a special note from the Chief Minister to bypass the process.
चोनसे पार्शे जे नाल्याचे काम सुरू केल्ले आहा हे मान्य करता, पण चोनसेचे जे मळ्याचे जे शेतकरी जे शेत करताले गेली 4 वर्सां नालो पुरल्या कारणान पाणी वचपाक वाट नसले, जेणे करून शेत अक्षरशः कुसताले, पिड्यार जाताले, जेणे करून शेतकऱ्याची मागणी आसली की हो नालो ह्या वर्सा तरी पावसा पयलींच जावचो. म्हणून हांवें स्पेशल आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्र्याचे नोट घेवन ही टेंडरींग प्रोसेस सुरू करू नये, कारण सगळो प्रोसेस जावच्या पयलीं जाल्यानुसार पावस येतलो आनी परत ह्या वर्सा येदोडलो मळो शेताचो पिड्यार जातलो. हे जावचें न्हू, हेचे खातीर काम सुरवात केल्ली आहा. तेणी परत बघचें, पळोवचें की बाबा हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जो जाका काम दिला हो सोपटेचो सोयरो की कोण रे आनी हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर गोवनय न्हय, भायलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जेचे कडेन बऱ्यापैकी मशिनरी आसा, जो काम बेगींतल्या बेगीन करूंक शकता. म्हणूनच त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान हांवें काम दिल्लें आनी कामाची सुरवात केल्ली. इतलेंच न्हय, स्पेशल तशेंच नोट घेवन मोरजे सुद्दां नाल्याची कामां सुरू केल्यात, कारण गेली 2 वर्सां नाले बुजल्या कारणान पावस येतालो आनी मोठो पावस येतकच पाणी लोकांच्या अक्षरशः घरांनी घुसतालें. पूण ती सुद्दां सोय हांवें ती केल्ली आहा. जीत आर्लेकराक आव्हान करता, तांणी पयलीं खंय तरी पंचायतीक निवडून येवचो आनी जे कितें ते स्टेटमेंट करतात पळय ते स्टेटमेंट करच्या पयलीं बरो नेम मेळोवचें आनी मागीर स्टेटमेंट करचें. दयानंद सोपटेक ज्या मनशान 22 वर्सां राजकारण करता, 4 फावटी लोकांनी निवडून दिल्या, तेका ह्या जीत आरोग्याचो 1 फावटी पंच म्हणून निवडून येवना, तेणी शाणपणां सांगची न्हू.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Mandra.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Kadamba Transport Corporation is being used extensively for transportation within the state and even outside in this COVID scenario. Now, KTC says it will sanitize Kadamba buses and also private buses.
KTC MD Valencio Futardo said KTC had started sanitizing bus depot, bus stands and buses from 14th March onwards.
सरकाराच्या प्रत्येक कामा खातीर जावं ते लोकांक हाडपा व्हरपाक किंवा स्टाफाक हाडपा व्हरपाक, रांदिल्लें जेवण पावोवपाक किंवा ग्रोसरी ऑन व्हील्स सगळ्यां खातीर आमचे वताले. पूण प्रत्येक बस हातून पळयल्या अशी भायल्यान ती सॅनिटायज जाता विथ सोडियम हायपोक्लोराइड आनी भितरल्यान आमी लायझॉल मारून बारीक पंपांनी सगळे पुसून काडटात. अशे तरेन आमचे बसी इवन गोंयाचे भायर सुद्दां जेन्ना वतात तेन्ना जो पळय आमचो सॅनिटायज मोटर कॅन आसा तो आमी व्हॉल्व तांचे कडेन दितात की जेन्ना ते गोंयचे भायर थंय पावले ते लोकांक देंवतकीर ते परत सॅनिटायज करतात आनी मागीर परत सॅनिटायज करून गाडी घेवन येतात. सो असले आमचे कॅन कारणांतल्यान म्हाका 100 तरी आमी ते असले मोटर कॅन घेतले आसात ते तांचे कडेन दितात.
After further relaxation in the lockdown, private buses have also started running on the roads. KTC has now decided to sanitize private buses along with the Kadamba.
जायत्या दिसांनी लॉकडावन शिथील जातकीर प्रायवेट बसी बी येवपाक लागल्यो. म्हणून आज आमी कितें केलें आयच्यान की आमी प्रायवेट बसींक वाल्यांकय बी हेल्प करतले की तांचे बसी सॅनिटायज करपाक. कारण लोकांक जे लोक ट्रॅवल जातात तांकां एक कॉन्फिडन्स मेळपाक जाय की फक्त कदंबाच्योच बसी सॅनिटायज जाता अशें ना, प्रायवेटाकय आमी हेल्प करतात. ते घरा कडच्यान धुवन हाडटात बसी ना न्ही, पूण जेन्ना प्रेसिडेंट बसता भितर सुद्दां भायर सरता. सो तांकां भितरल्यान तेंची हँडलां तेंचे ड्रायव्हर स्टेरींग की आमचे जे पळय लायझॉल आसा आमचे पंप आसा आमचो मिस आसा तो तांकां हेल्प करतलो की तेंचे सॅनिटायज करपाक. पण लोकांनी फक्त करमपाच अशें न्ही प्रायवेटान बसचें आनीक एका जाग्यार वचपाक सुरक्षीत वचचें. फक्त एकच मागणी की मास्क घालचो हांगा ते हात लावचे न्ही मातशें सोशल डिस्टन्सींग दवरचें आनी भायलें कितें खाण खावचे पयलीं मातशें चिंतचें.
There had been complaints that many Kadamba buses were dirty. Also, social distancing was not being maintained. In fact, videos have gone viral on the state of the buses. Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Margao.
The Goa Forward Party has warned the government it will not allow holding of any elections till we are certain that Goa is safe and the public health of Goenkars is ensured. GFP says it will call for a boycott of any elections if Goenkars who are stranded around the world are not repatriated to their families.
Its president Vijay Sardesai has said that party would oppose no diversion of attention, personnel and resources will be allowed when the confirmed cases are rising and likely to rise further in Goa.
कालचो मोबिन गुदिनाचो स्टेटमेंटाच्या मागीर आमच्यान सेफली अशें म्हणूं येता की बीजेपी झेडपी कॅट is finally out of the bag. गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी म्हणीत आहा की सरकाराचे इंटेन्शन सदांच झेडपी इलेक्शनाक घेवपाचें आशिल्लें ना. सो दॅट वे वी फील विंडिकेटेड टू लर्न फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया that the BJP Panchayat Minister Movin Gudin has categorically declared that Zilla elections will happen now. We will not allow you to hold elections till Goa is actually safe. You don't divert attention. Confirmed cases are rising. So, आमी या ZP इलेक्शनाक घेवपाक दिवचे ना अशें सगळे सिच्युएशनार आनी हांव मागता गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यांनी गोंयकारांनी जागे जावचे. ही जी इलेक्शनां तांणी हाडल्या हातूंत आमी काबार जातले कित्याक एम्साचे डायरेक्टरान डॉक्टर गुलेरिया म्हणून ताणें म्हणिल्लें आहा की जून आनी जुलयान इंडियेक पीक जातलो. गोंयांत पावस जेन्ना आसतलो जेन्ना फ्लू म्हणटा तो दुसरो फ्लू भायर येतलो तेन्ना सरकार इलेसांवां घेवपाक फुडें सरला. एक्कान एक गोंयकार जो येवंक सोदता गोंया परतो तो आपले धर्तरेचेर पावो पयलीं इलेक्शन कसलीच जर घेतली जाल्यार ही इलेक्शनां बॉयकॉट गोंयकारांनी करची हो म्हजो तांकां एक उलो आहा. काल इंटरनॅशनल बायोडायवर्सिटी डे म्हणटालो आनी ह्या इंटरनॅशनल बायोडायवर्सिटी डेयाक सरकारान डिक्लेअर केलें की 99 विलेजीस ज्यो कस्तुरी रंजन कमिटीन ऑन वेस्टर्न घाट्स तांणी इको सेन्सिटीव म्हणून डिक्लेअर केल्या ह्यो आमी रेड्यूस करून 69 करतले. म्हणल्यार ज्या दिसा सरकारान अनाउन्स करूंक जाय आशिल्लें की सैमा खातीर इकॉलॉजी खातीर एनवायरमेंटा खातीर आमी कितें तरी करतात ते दिसा एनवायरमेंट कसो काबार करचो हो सरकार अनाउन्समेंट करता. दुसरो फोकस आहा मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्टचो करपाचो. ट्रान्सपोर्टाचेर बरें आहा म्हणून सगळे उलयतात. आज अशें जाल्लें आहा की दामबाबाक जर पांय पडून तूं रामावले वता जाल्यार दामबाबाक देवळाक लॉक जाल्लें आहा पुणून मायनिंग ट्रक भरमसाट भरले आहा. रस्त्याचेर ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाल्लें आहा आनी अशे परिस्थितीन जेन्ना मायनिंग इज बिकमिंग एन एसेन्शियल कमोडिटी फॉर दीस गव्हर्मेंट तेन्ना सरकाराचो कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स द इकॉलॉजी एंड एनवायरमेंट इज एक्सपोज्ड.
Goa Forward alleged that government's complete focus is on ZP polls and illegal mining.
Ponda police on Saturday cracked down on liquor sale in a tea stall and have arrested 7. Ponda police has registered an offence under section 188 and 269 of IPC.
Police arrested shop owners Mahesh Naik, Rohidas Naik and 5 customers while drinking alcohol. Further investigation are in process.
Last night I received information from the labor service that one Mr. Mahesh Naik and Mr. Rohidas Naik, both resident of Paunwada, Pawaya, are selling a liquor in his tea shop and in a garage. Accordingly, I conducted a raid with my staff and I caught red-handed both Mahesh Naik and Rohidas Naik while selling a liquor to the customer. I arrested total 7 persons in the case, including 5 customers and the 2 owners of the shops, and I seized liquor of around 10,000 approximately. I booked all them under section 188 and 269 of IPC, and further investigation of this case is in progress.
Sir, they have no licenses to bar.
No, this is a tea shop.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.